And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixed Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixed Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a Bandai exclusive from the HG Gundam 00 line series. We have the GNR's Type E real color version. Yes, and unlike what you see in the box art, this is only the GNR's Type E. There is no extra included. So unlike the previous one wherein there's a GN arms type E with extra and then GN arms type D with the dynamis, but this is only the GN arms type E, and you will have to buy the extra separately. And of course, this is compatible with the extra HG00 as well as the real grade extra. And off to the side, this is just the standard P Bandai, wherein GN arms type E, but they included the model there. Same with the other side. So that's it for the box. Now let's see if we could over it and open what's inside. So yeah, I had to cut it there because, or rather pause because the box is too huge. But yeah, so we have one bag here with some screws, another bag with all black, one few more bags with all black parts. Yep, we'll see the screws later on. So same with the darker blue color. Another bag with a darker blue again. We have some screws for white, properly color separated, and of course we have the bag for the stand, some PC joints and stick transfers. Yeah, so is this transfers or water slides? Hopefully it's transfers. Previously, it was just stickers, and here we have it. We have the GN Arms Type E, the instruction manual where yes, oh okay, so the decals you can follow it here and put it wherever you want. So yep, and as you can see, it really tells you that you have to buy the extra separately, and of course it's compatible with either the real grade or the high grade extra. And now let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, now assuming this is from the JNR's Type E and Extra, yeah, there's no A sprue, that's why we skip ahead right to F sprue, which is more on some parts of, I guess, the middle one. Yeah, the middle portion of the GN arms. Yep, that's single one. And then we have two of the G sprues here. So I'm guessing this is part of the wing, so all color white. And then two more of the H sprue. So since again, guessing part of the wings again. Same thing with yes, an I sprue, which is again split into two because of the two wings. J sprue, which is again split into two for the wings. Same dark blue color, violet. Now we go back to another single sprue, which is the K sprue, all white. I guess part of the middle part or the middle portion of the aircraft. Then L sprue here. We have two of those again. Yep. So two of the L sprues, and then we're coming back with a single sprue for the M for the middle portion, I guess. Again for the N for the middle portion of the aircraft, and then we have the O sprue, which is for the stand. We have some PCB parts here. So rubbery PCB parts for all the joints of the aircraft. They do give us two screws, yeah, because I think this is for the wings. And then we have some decals. So I don't think these are water slide, but rather dry transfer decals. But anyway, yep, so better than the previous one. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the P Bandai exclusive HG Gundam 00 GN Arms Type E real color version. And yes, of course, I already own the Type D with dynamis, and I can already see that there is a slight difference in the blue tone of the color. And unlike that, and of course the first release of the Type E with extra, they didn't come with these decals. You have to buy the decal separately. Well, this is bonus being P Bandai. And this is Mix Ward saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, view another video, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.